Okay, good job. And I will show you cards and you say the number. What number is this? Rafael, what number is this? 2. What number is this? 3. What number is this? 19. What number is this? What number is this? 5. What number is this? What number is this? 18. What number is this? 6. What number is this? 7. What number is this? 8. Tepuk tangan dulu untuk Rafael. Are you ready, Albright? Okay, please you count number 1 until number 20.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
13, 16, 17. Okay, good job. Pelan-pelan, tepuk tangan. Yes. Yes, good. Yes. Yes. Good job. Good. Yes. Yes. Good. Yes. 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 Neck. Yes. Hand, yeah. Fingers. Stomach. Hip, yes. Thigh. Yes. Knee. Yes. Foot. Yes. Toes. Okay, well, David, say what number is this? Good. What number is this? 2. What number is this? 9. What number is this? Oh, I'm sorry. What number is this? 19. Good. What number is this? 1. Okay. What number is this? 5. What number is this? 4. Good. What number is this? What number is this? 18. Okay. What number is this? Number 6. Okay, please you describe your balloon, Albright.
Hi guys, I have balloon.
Yep.
And the balloon is color blue. And the number is 0. And
The balloon is big or small?
the balloon is big.
Big. Alright.
It's safe.
Okay.